You mean she slept with another man? Is it that she was in an affair with a different person, mtu mwingine mmoja, ama maybe she was sleeping around with people? And how did you get to know it?
Wow. Interesting. Let me start with how did I get to know it. Is one day she comes back home very late, unusually late, and that Sunday we were having my brother, his family was coming home that Sunday. We chilled together. So that day she decides she doesn't want to stay home. She wants to leave and go and see her friend. So I was like, why are you leaving? My brother is coming. But it's fine. So go and see your friend, then come back early because my brother is home. So Ajib left that day. When she left, she's coming back home at around 1 a.m. Yeah, at around 1 a.m. At that time, I've stayed home with my brothers. We've bonded. It's fine. I didn't mind. But she came home very late when everyone is now leaving. So that day when she came home, me seeing her entering the house, I just noticed something off with her because, of course, I was trying calling her so many times before Ifika Sasaba. From around 9 p.m., 10 p.m., I was calling her repeatedly. She's not picking. And it's the same day she had left home because that Sunday...